Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove files from Google Drive. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Google Drive is a storage service that lets you save files online and access them from any computer, smartphone, or tablet. You can upload, edit, and share files online using Drive on your PC or mobile device. On my previous video, I've shown you how to upload files to Google Drive, and now this video will show you how to remove or delete it. So first of all, first you have to open our Drive, and you can just choose on the folder or on the files that you want to delete or remove. I will remove this one for the example. You can just tap on the three dots over here, and there is an option remove. You can just tap on that. There is an option move to trash. You can just tap on move to trash. So anytime if you want to recover, restore this file, you can go to trash and restore it. So simple, right? So if you want to delete files, you can just do like this. Tap on remove and move to trash. It's so simple, right? So that is how to remove files from Google Drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.